I just hope the starter doesn't go out completely. Then I'm fucked up. Like, then I'm fucking assed out and I have no fucking option. What's up? It's your boy Introvert J, and I'm back with another video, y'all. King J. See? I gotta get used to this shit. Just finished getting the car checked out and looked at. It's more than just a battery, y'all. I need a whole new starter. I need a replacement cable to the battery itself. It's really what you call it right now. It's really sad. Yeah, I'm moving. It's one thing after the other, and I initially I came for tires and the transmission flush, and I'm leaving even in a worse predicament than I did before. It's crazy. When I told y'all the road is about to be crazy, it's about to be crazy. So basically, both parts are on back order. I need a starter replacement and the battle cable replacement, positive battery cable. And they're on back order, so I don't have to wait. He says he's going to call me as soon as he gets it in. I don't know when that will be, but for now, I got to keep cranking the vehicle until, I can get this thing started properly. So that's where I'm at in this whole process right now. And I plan to go to Walmart. I plan to do so many things today, and I think I still can. It's just that, like, I'm gonna have the hassle of jumping this car repetitively for the next couple of days. Like, I just hope the starter doesn't go out completely. Then I'm fucked up. Like, then I'm fucking assed out and I have no fucking option. Like, it's funny because I was running through scenarios of what I needed to do if I lost these wheels. So, it's coming down to possibly getting a car, just, a $2,000 car, something that can just hold me over until I can get something better. This is life, y'all. This is life as it happens, as it fucking step by step, day by day. This is the reality of the situation. I'm gonna come with a story time maybe later today about this car situation and how I'm even in this situation that I'm in. It sucks, you know what I'm saying? But, because I need a vehicle when I'm down here. It's different, man. Being in the city, I had access to fucking trains and buses, and if I had to go to work, I could just hop on the train and bus. I still have my car, but see, I'm not driving in the city doing all that with the tolls. I'm realizing how much of a necessity this vehicle is and how much of a reliable vehicle is. I could get away with so much. If I had a check engine light, I just park up and I take the fucking bus in New York. Here, it's like, if I don't have a vehicle, bro, I'm stranded. Like, Uber is not gonna help me. I'm gonna be burning money so bad. I was just looking up the Uber cost to get to and from work. It's about $30. I'll pay $60 just to get to and from work every single day. You know how much money that is? I make $80 a fucking week. I looked at my weekly income technically, and it would be like $80. You know what I'm saying? Remember, we got little peak pay till January, but after that it goes back down. This shit is about to get real scary and real crazy. Like, I'm being honest with y'all, I don't even know what's gonna happen, but I know that I have to use my brain, I have to be smarter, and I have to just play my next move. This is a game of chess. This is not checkers. I have to strategize this shit out. And if it means getting a new car and it means getting another car, then I have to save for that. And I want to do so much other shit, but my priorities are the ones that are most important right now. Getting a reliable vehicle is number one. It's over a trip to damn Mexico. It's over a trip to fucking my birthday. It's over all this shit that I've wanted to do just because, I gotta take care of this situation. I can't even get a fucking, not on consignment, but I can't even get a car just off the lot right now because my credit is shot. So it's like I can't even just go into one of these places, show my papers of employment, take out a loan, and drive a brand new car. Like, I can't do that. I don't have any credit options. I'm shot all over regarding credit. Everything is cash money now. Like, I have to figure out the fastest way I can make this cash, and that's through my business and that's through working. Unfortunately, I need a car for that. So if my car is not reliable, I can't get to my income. Y'all pray for me. Like, I'm gonna need it. So I'm on my way, I guess, home right now. I can't deal with this car situation. I gotta go to work. And fucking, I gotta be there at 6:30. This is gonna take some time and some getting used to. what I'm saying? Just having this, like, this car has been bad, but it's never been this bad. And this is getting into the worst possible point where I am in my life. So I just asked the man, listen, can my starter just die while I'm driving? He assured me no. I don't know if that's true or not. I'm just praying, and it just got to take my life. Just got to pray to God, and hopefully nothing happens to me. I've thought about getting a rental for the next couple weeks, but that may be a possibility. I might just have to do that. That might be the safest option, actually. So I don't have to deal with this issue, and I'm just gonna have to let this car sit. So I'm gonna think about doing that. Actually, I have that written down. That's the first thing that came to mind, getting a rental. It doesn't matter how much it is. At the end of the day, like, my safety and my wife's safety, and then fucking that shit is more important. So scratch that, what I fucking just said. I was just being a dick because I need to use it now. I need to use the car now. So that's what's gonna happen. And just, y'all, I'm telling y'all, this is fucking real, raw, and true, man. Day by day, like, look at me, like, I'm in here, man. I got the fucking repair estimate right here, bro. Like, this shit is crazy, man. Like, it's like $675 for this whole shit right here, to get the starter replacement, the battle cable replacement. Like, more things are happening to this car because it's ages. It's a 2011 Cruze. It's actually made in 2010, probably earlier than that. So this car has been through the trenches. It was a used car that I purchased. I will get into that later in another story. But y'all, I gotta go. I gotta get home, and I gotta go to the supermarket. But guess what? I'm about to go to the supermarket across the way, so I don't have to drive nowhere too much crazy. I'm just gonna get what I can get from fucking Food Line right across the way, and I'm just gonna walk there. And maybe I'll take y'all on a little journey with that. So, guys, peace and love. Appreciate you for watching. Like this video if you like this video. Comment down below. I can switch up in terms of the emotions. You see, 1 minute I'm happy, and 1 minute I'm excited and super duper like into it, and the next minute I'm like, oh no, not this shit again. So it's the reality of the situation. I just gotta keep it head on, keep my head high, and keep moving, because this is not gonna last forever. This is only one moment, and I gotta climb myself out of it. So peace and love, y'all. I'm out, and I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.